Welcome to our CCPS Science Review Lab. Today, let's talk about summer. More specifically, how our summer temperatures in Southwest Florida ensure that we're going to get those big, heavy, rainy afternoon thunderstorms. Let's take a look at our pictures to get an idea. Can you remember what we're looking at? Looks to me like we're looking at a cypress swamp. We've got some water hanging out there. We've got some great looking cypress, and we've got that awesome looking egret. Well, you're asking, what does this water have to do with thunderstorms? I'm hoping you kind of already remember the answer. What we're talking about today is how our hydrosphere and our atmosphere interact, and most specifically, how they interact and give us the weather that they give us, and how they impact our climate. If we're going to look at this picture and review our water cycle, let's see some aspects that we have here. Obviously, we've got our oceans. That's where the majority of our water is held. We've got some evaporation going on, where that water is heating up and evaporating up. And then we've got these forming into these clouds. Do you remember what part of the water cycle that is? Obviously, we've got some precipitation coming down. There's that weather part. Remember? We've got all these processes going on, and then we end up with that precipitation, which is a big part of our weather. Okay, when you think about it, that with water cycle going on and that water heating up and evaporating, that also impacts our winds. Okay, again, impacting our weather. It's bringing some of, it's going to have that sea breeze going on. You know all the different ways that that's connected. So the important takeaway from this is that when you have an area, much like in Southwest Florida, look at all the water around us. We've got the Gulf over here. We've got the Atlantic over here. But then we've got all this water down here in our swamps and in the estuaries. When that all gets heated up with that intense heat that we get in Southwest Florida during the summer, there's a tremendous amount of evaporation going on. So those clouds build and build and build until they can't take anymore. And then we get those super strong afternoon thunderstorms. Let's check out this picture here. Suppose that we've got really warm ocean temperatures going on and really warm air temperatures going on. How do you think that would impact the growth of this storm? And why? Show me what you know, and make sure you're connecting it to the hydrosphere and the atmosphere and our weather.